So, for the video guys, the piglet is so many hair. Oh, is sleeping. Say, we have 31 pigs this room. Oh, pig room na ha. Oh, piglet room. Oh, and in the second is 31 piglet also. Some sleep, some playing. Oh, and in the third room of piggy, here is sleeping also. 31 also. So all total is 63 piglets. So all sleeping na, and some playing and busy-busying.
Wala siyang kita sa YouTube, ma'am. Wala kita sa YouTube. Ma'am. Wala kita sa YouTube, ma'am.
So and then now I'm going to the upstairs. Looking to the pig house. So bye bye. Thank you for watching. So I'm going there.